Hey there, Prairie Plant Girl here. Today I'm going to be planting geraniums, and I'm really excited about this. I've never grown geraniums from seed before, but I'm going to be starting them this year. This is Geranium Ringo 2000 Rose Star. So we'll see how that turns out for us. This is an annual geranium, so you might know it better as a Pelargonium. They seem to be just called geraniums here in my area. I know some places they really like to specify between the annual and the more perennial geranium. There are geraniums that are hardy here and grow perennial here, and there's the annual ones that you usually will buy as a bedding plant in the store. So this is that bedding plant style of geranium. So like I said, really excited to try this. They are supposed to be a little bit tricky to get going and growing. So we'll see how well this does for me. A lot of times geraniums are propagated through cuttings, but we're gonna do seeds today and see how it goes. So the first thing I wanna do is just get my seed tray filled. I think I only have, it's only like 10 seeds supposed to be in that package, but I just grabbed this 9 cell pack here. I really like these silicone trays. I've been using them for a few years now. I bought several sets, so if you're interested in them, because I do get questions about them, I'll have a link down in the description. So I'm just gonna fill it. I just have some nice damp mix here. This is a peat moss blend that has been amended with lime by the manufacturer, just to counteract some of the acidity in the peat moss. I'm just giving them a little push in each cell just to make sure there's no big air pockets. I'm not like packing it in real tight though, because we do want some air exchange going on there. Just put a little bit more on. Them topped up real nice. Now I think these are pretty tiny seeds, so I'm gonna get a little bit of water. Put the seeds in here. And how does it say? It says to start them 12 weeks before your average last frost. I am pretty much at that point now, like 12 and a half, so I'm not gonna worry too much about that. Here's the seeds. So they're not as small as I thought they were actually. I probably don't need the water. Looks like I got them all out of there. They're actually gonna be pretty easy to handle. I thought they were smaller than that. So it says to just put them in the soil and cover them lightly. So that's what I'll be doing. So I'll put 1 in each cell, except I do think there was supposed to be 10 in this pack. So one of them might wind up with 2 in it, but. I like when they're bright like this because they're easy to see. I almost wonder if these are pelleted or if this is the natural color. So I'm going to put 2 in that one, and the rest I'll have 1 in each of them. So they're all ready to go there. I didn't grab a label, so I'll have to grab a label for them, but first let's cover them. It says to cover them lightly with soil. So I'm just going to go just a very small amount. Maybe 1/8 of an inch. It doesn't really specify. So just so I can't see them anymore, I guess. And then I'm trying to go through, because this isn't like a seed starting mix, sometimes there'll be kind of thicker chunks in the blend, so I don't want to put a big heavy chunk on top of the seed here. There. And then I always like to go in with just a little bit of vermiculite. It just helps to kind of regulate that moisture on top of the soil surface. Can help prevent things like fungus gnats and damping off. So just a nice thin layer of that. And just water it in just to get good contact with the soil on the top and get some moisture in that vermiculite I just added there. I'm gonna grab a tag so I can label it. So pop that. I'm going to put that one in the tag in where I put 2 seeds. That'll help me to remember which one. I'm going to put a humidity dome on. Oops, and I've just closed the holes on top for now. Now this is going to go onto a heat mat. And yeah, you can't see because it's down on the lower shelf, but I've just laid out my large heat mat because I have a few things on it right now. And they want to stay between 70 to 74 degrees Fahrenheit. I think that's in the low 20s Celsius. And it says bottom heat is very important for starting the geraniums from seeds. So I'm definitely going to use that heat mat and get them going. And I think it says it could take about 2 weeks to see any germination at all. So we'll have to be a little bit patient and wait to see how these do. But I'm really excited to give these a try. Let me know down below, have you grown geraniums from seed before? I'd love to hear how that turned out for you. And I'll keep you updated on how mine go. So thanks for coming along with me today while I try something new in my grow room. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.